Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing great. Listen, this is Chill Out Friday. So before we do anything, let's take our deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. That feels great. You feel better? I hope you do. Before we go any further, let me just say to my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. Come on now, let's get into this video. All right, so what do we have here? Our pretty in pink. I don't know if the light is picking it up, the camera, but they are pink. This is Pretty in Pink, Pink Grapefruit Essential Oil Shower Steamers. We have our tags, our labels, front. I don't know if you can see that. Front, and there's the back. I'll read it off to you. We have our bags, okay? We have our bags, we have ribbon, we have a scissor, and I have you. So after this, we are going to package, we are going to unmold and wrap. I made yesterday lavender fields, okay? And then this is it, we are going on. Okay, so come on, let's get started. Let's get started. How is everyone doing today? I hope you're doing great. I hope everyone is doing great. Let's move this out the way. Move our tray out the way. Okay, so bring my bag, my shower steamer to the front. Let's get the tag ready. We'll loop it through this time. Doesn't matter how you put your ribbon in, just as long as it goes in. So I just looped it through that time. Bring it through, and then it ties it like that. Either way, it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. Whatever your preference. You can even take the string, just one end, and bring it through your hole. Doesn't really matter. Okay? It's Friday. We made it through another week, right? Thank God it's Friday. Chill Out Friday. Did you go get your favorite beverage and come back with me? Let's put it in the back. Yep, Chill Out Friday. What are you going to do this weekend? It's getting cold. Do you have snow where you live? Answer that question for me in the comment. Do you have snow yet where you live? Good question, right? Since we into January. All right, so I tied a bow, and then I'm just gonna tie that bow again. It's as simple as that. Pretty in Pink is in a pink bag. I felt that was suitable for that. And then you know that I cut the top off, unnecessary. And here we go. Pretty in Pink. Okay. So, Pretty in Pink, shower steamer, handmade natural, aromatherapy, pink grapefruit essential oil, 3.5 ounces. Ingredients, baking soda, citric acid, witch hazel or water, essential oil, fragrant oil. Caution, shower use only. All right, let's do another one together. Then I'm going to give you some music. Slowly but surely, I'm figuring things out, right? I am. So give it a little twist. Take your tag, Place it wherever you like to place it. Tie your ribbon in a knot. Tie your bow if you can, all depend on how long your ribbon is. The ribbon might not be long enough. Did you enjoy the shower steamer series? I enjoyed making them. I really enjoyed making them. There you go. One more and then I'll give you some music. All right. Take our ribbon. Bringing it through like a loop. Open your loop. Bring your 2 strings through. That's all that is. Show you again. Take your ribbon. Even it up. You make a loop at the end. Take your tag. Bring it through the hole. Bring it through the hole. There you go. Come on. Open that loop. Now that you bring it through, put your finger through it. And then you bring your 2 strings through. And voila. There you go. Simple as that. Simple as that. Let me give you the quote of today. The quote of today is, the wonder of the season. Let me say that again. The quote of today is, the wonder of the season. Okay? That's your food of thought for today. On this Chill Out Friday. I hope your Friday will be nice and peaceful for you. Drama free. There you go. All right, guys, let's get some music going here. And let's put the music on. side, I'm going to bring you back for these last two. So we're placing them in our bags. One side because my bags are bigger, so I just place it in one corner. I twist, I take my label, I place it where I want, the front or the back. I have this one in the front. I hold it with one finger for some support. I bring it to the front, tie it in the bow, tie that bow in the bow, just to knot it so it stays secure. Take that excess off. Okay. Yeah. Last one to do. Here we go. Pretty in Pink are done and will be listed in my Etsy shop. As of today, they will be listed, okay? And remember, there's free shipping on my Etsy for $35 or more. Free shipping, guys. Pretty in Pink. Love you. Mwah. Have a wonderful day. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next video.